Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. We'll explore its groundbreaking features, impressive performance benchmarks, and much more. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that button so you won't miss any updates. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will maintain the same battery capacity as its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This means you can expect the same reliable performance without any drastic improvements in battery longevity. Recent leaks suggest that the lenses on the Galaxy S25 Ultra will only protrude 2.4mm from the rear housing, which is significantly less than what we've seen on the latest iPhone models. The main sensor will remain a robust 200 megapixels. Samsung is enhancing the ultra-wide camera to 50 megapixels. This upgrade is expected to capture more detail in your wide-angle shots, making it perfect for landscapes and group photos. The combination of high-resolution sensors and advanced computational photography is sure to elevate your photography game. Moving on to performance, we have some intriguing benchmarks for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. Before we get into the specifics, let's take a moment to appreciate the design. While we don't have the final product in our hands yet, concept renders based on leaks show a significant shift in the phone's aesthetics. The Galaxy S25 Ultra features a design that mirrors its smaller counterparts, sporting curved corners with flat edges. Now let's break down the specifications of the Galaxy S25 lineup, starting with the standard Galaxy S25 model. It boasts a 6.36-inch dynamic AMOLED display with enhanced brightness and color accuracy, with a 120Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 1080 by 2340. The display is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3, ensuring durability. The official launch of the Samsung Galaxy S25 series is slated for January, and as we get closer to that date, more leaks and rumors are sure to surface. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a gamer, or someone who demands high performance from their devices, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to meet and exceed expectations. And don't forget to subscribe for all the latest updates on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and other tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.